Hey, what's up? Sam here. Right now, I'm at the Hans Laser Global Intelligent Manufacturing Center in Shenzhen. Hans Laser is one of the world's leading laser equipment manufacturers. With over 30 years of experience in R&D and production, the company invests around 13% of its annual revenue into research and development, backed by a massive team and more than 6,000 patents worldwide. From desktop engraving machines to industrial giants that cut through thick steel plates, you'll find it all here. In this video, we'll go deep inside the factory to uncover step-by-step how a laser engraving machine is born. Let's go! Let's start with Hans Laser's pump source workshop, the heart of the whole laser system. You can see I'm just like someone from a biohazard movie, and that's because this place has extremely strict production standards. Now, to get a bit technical, a laser is made of three main parts: the gate medium, the pump source, and the resonant cavity. The pump source is the key component that turns electricity into light. When powered on, the pump source sends electricity through tiny electrode strips to semiconductor chips, converting electric energy into light. That light is then focused through lenses to form a beam and sent out through optical fibers as a laser. The crystals and mirrors inside are very sensitive. Even a 0.1 micron dust particle can scatter the light or dirty the mirrors, lowering power output and beam quality, or even causing short circuits. Hans Laser's workshop meets the class 1000 clean room standard, which means it's almost completely dust-free. You can see automated alignment machines carefully adjusting tiny FSC lenses to get the beam perfectly aligned before gluing and curing them in place. Finally, these pump sources are sent to the laser assembly workshop. As the main energy source of the laser, the performance directly affects how powerful and efficient the laser will be. Speaking of assembly, next we've arrived at Hans Laser's laser assembly workshop. This is where the laser units are put together on the production line. Multiple models are assembled here at the same time to handle larger scale production. The workshop handles the entire laser manufacturing process, from feeding in raw materials and components to assembling and producing the final finished products. Each row of workers is responsible for a specific step. After assembly, every unit goes through professional testing equipment. Only the parts are sent to the next stage. Each process includes strict quality inspections to make sure the final product meets the company's high standards. We also interviewed one of the managers and learned that these lasers can reach power levels of up to 30,000 watts. The many used by Hans Laser itself and other equipment integrators, serving a wide range of industrial applications such as sheet metal cutting, laser welding, and surface treatment. Why not see one of these machines in action? This is Hans Laser's large-scale fiber laser cutting machine. Thick steel plates, tens of millimeters thick, are sliced through effortlessly, almost like paper, under the laser beam. Behind this power is high-power continuous fiber laser, which is more efficient and produces a more focused beam compared to traditional CO2 lasers. When cutting, the system needs high speed and strong energy. When engraving, it demands extreme precision. The laser system uses CNC programs to precisely control the laser's path, allowing it to draw complex patterns. We also saw many large-made artworks, all created using Hans Laser's massive fiber laser cutting machines. Truly impressive. If you think that's impressive, let me show you something you really see at other laser manufacturers. Hans Fiber Tower. I won't go too deep into the technical details, but after talking with the manager here, I learned that special fiber is made by melting glass rods at high temperatures and drawing them into fibers, which are then combined with optical resonant cavities to create laser oscillation. To produce high-quality pulse lasers, it requires strict material selection. It does free clean room and rigorous quality control. Hans Laser's pulse lasers are not only power adjustable, but can also output ultra-short pulses, making them highly efficient. So I just visited your fiber tower. Wow, it's tremendous. So at the core equipment, for producing fibers. I was wondering how does it produce special fibers?
我们的光纤是这样子形成的。首先呢，我们是做出一个预制棒，我们从预制棒开始生产，然后做预制棒放在那个光纤塔里面，经过熔，它2000度以上的高温熔以后拉成丝，经过涂覆以后就做成了我们的有源光纤。我们的有源光纤呢，我们做成一个放大极，经泵谱光经过耦合进去后，种子源通过放大极放大，就形成我们的 MOPA 激光器。
And the second question is, what do you think is essential to producing a high-quality pulse laser?
首先，我们是要选择最好的那个组件，核心组件，然后呢，用我们最严谨的那个态度去做这个创新跟那个品控。我们有那个1000级的无尘车间，车间里没有任何灰尘，对。然后我们保证我们那个用1/1000的缺陷，100%的责任，做好品控、研发，保证我们生产出去的产品没有任何缺陷。
And the third question for you is, what are the advantages of your pulse lasers?
我们那个可调谐的脉冲光纤激光器有很多的优点啊。我们现在脉宽是从1纳秒到500纳秒可调，然后峰值功率是从7000瓦到200千瓦，都有啊。功率段已经从那个20瓦到1500瓦都已经成品期都有了。我们的产品呢就稳定性好，然后抗高反能力强，就是得到了那个广大用户的认可。
That's for industrial grade products, but what about consumer level laser products? Yes, as I mentioned at the beginning, they also offer them. As a sub-brand of Hans Laser, Hansmaker delivers consumer-grade laser engraving machines and services worldwide through third-party commerce platforms and its official website. Hansmaker fills the gap for Hans Laser in the consumer desktop engraving market. What we are seeing here is the assembly and testing line for Hansmaker's upcoming product, the D1 Ultra. The manager walked me through how the D1 Ultra is made. First, all the materials and parts go through quality checks and are stored in the warehouse. Once approved, they are sent to the production line. On the line, the team pre-assembles different sections like the structure, optics, and mechanics before putting everything together into the full machine. After assembly, the machines go through a series of tests. For example, software tests include engraving pattern and the flat surface to check for position accuracy and engraving quality. That is the speed, probably the fastest laser engraving machine I've ever seen. Definitely check it out. Once these standard processing tests are completed, the machines undergo more rigorous evaluations, such as aging tests, high and low temperature tests, drop tests, and transportation simulation tests. Only products that passes all these tests are finally shipped to customers. I heard you like the design of this D1 Ultra. Why did you choose 20 watts diode plus 30 watts fiber lasers configuration?
因为我们在市场上面也了解到，单一光纤的激光器在雕刻上有一定的局限性。比如说2极管的激光器不能雕刻金属，光纤的激光器不能雕刻非金属。那我们结合这一类的局限性的问题，那我们把2极管的激光器和光纤的激光器做个完美的融合。所以说，我们在不增加体积的情况下，来能够适应上更大的一个加工的一个范围。
And second question is, in your view, what advantage does the D1 Ultra have over similar products on the market?
我们研发团队自研在正径上的运动轨迹上做了一些大量的算法，就是在我们积累20多年、服务了几百个行业的基础上，做了一系列的迭代的研发。因此就是我们在这个位图和灰度位图的雕刻的速度上，比同行类似的机器快6倍以上的一个速度。这都是我们工业领域成功的经验的积累。所以 D1 Ultra 在雕刻能力切割能力，在批量加工的能力上都远超同行的各种设备。
Yes, I just heard you mention the Hans laser, and how do you bring Hans laser's industrial technologies into the D1 Ultra?
我们是采用了我们母公司 Hansmaker 的自研激光器，就是从激光器的稳定性、使用寿命都是领先行业水平。就是我们已经服务了很多的客户，用了10几年，期间只是更换了一些很小的部件啊，所以说我们在 D1 Ultra 的这个设计上面，我们也是支持飞行导标啊，配合我们的传送带，真正实现了我们的不间断的加工，将整个这个设备的加工能力提升到工厂级的。
The last question is, what new directions can we expect from the Hansmaker in the future?
目前我们正在推进 D1 Ultra 在 Hansmaker 上的一些的平台上线，接下来我们会有更多适合消费者使用的产品陆续会推出，比如说我们的2氧化碳的切割机、UV 雕刻机，还会研发我们的 UV 打印机，像这类市场上比较稀缺的产品，让我们拭目以待。
Oh, I cannot wait. Thanks for your interview. Thank you. And that's a wrap our visit to Hans Laser. I've reviewed many laser engraving machines before, but this unique prospect truly showed me how Hans Laser leads the global laser industry, from raw materials to optics to formation delivery, and even software and hardware development. Every step reflects extreme precision and craftsmanship. From industry giants to the consumer-friendly D1 Ultra, Hansmaker brings industrial-grade technology straight to a desktop. If you want to take your creativity to the next level, don't miss out. The D1 Ultra is now live on Kickstarter. Back the project today and be among the first to own this powerful, versatile, and precision-engineered laser engraving machine. Let's create something amazing. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy, and see you in the next one.